Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm Dr. Taylor Green, a wellness physician with over 20 years of experience helping people heal naturally from chronic digestive issues ranging from indigestion and bloating to irritable bowel syndrome and acid reflux. If you've ever felt like your gut was out of sync, maybe you've experienced bloating after a meal, or had trouble with diarrhea, constipation, or burning discomfort in your stomach, you are not alone. Digestive disorders affect millions worldwide, and most of them are closely tied to one thing: what we eat. Today, I'll walk you through 7 common foods that may be damaging your digestive system, and 7 natural foods that can help you heal from within. We'll look at the science, some simple daily tips, and even a few stories from my own practice that show how small dietary changes can make a big difference. Let's dive in. We all enjoy the occasional crispy fries or fried chicken. But here's the truth: fried foods are difficult for your body to break down. They're high in trans fats, which slow gastric emptying and increase inflammation in the lining of your gut. A 2015 study in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology showed that high-fat meals increase post-meal discomfort, particularly bloating and acid reflux, in people with functional dyspepsia. Try switching to baked or air-fried versions and use healthy fats like olive oil in small amounts. One of my patients with chronic reflux saw dramatic improvements within 2 weeks of removing deep-fried foods from her lunch menu. While a cold soda or a glass of wine might seem harmless, these drinks can increase gas, trigger acid reflux, and irritate your stomach lining. Alcohol also disrupts the gut microbiome. A clinical review in Alimentary Pharmacology and Therapeutics 2014 found that even moderate alcohol intake can reduce healthy bacteria and increase gut permeability. Instead, sip herbal teas like peppermint or chamomile after meals to help ease digestion and reduce bloating. Spices like chili, pepper, and mustard may trigger digestive distress in sensitive individuals. They stimulate stomach acid and can lead to pain, burning, or even diarrhea. Although some people tolerate them well, others, especially those with ulcers or gastritis, need to be cautious. If you love flavor, try turmeric or ginger instead. They add warmth without irritating your gut. Fast food, deli meats, and instant noodles are convenient, but low in fiber and full of preservatives and sodium. These can slow your digestive tract and lead to constipation or bloating. A 2019 study in the BMJ linked ultra-processed food consumption with an increased risk of irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and poor gut microbiota diversity. Aim for whole, unprocessed meals. Think roasted vegetables, grilled fish, or brown rice with lentils. Lactose intolerance affects nearly 65% of the global population. Without enough lactase enzyme, dairy can cause bloating, cramping, and diarrhea. If you're unsure whether dairy affects you, try eliminating it for 2 weeks and observe. Alternatives like oat milk, almond yogurt, or lactose-free cheeses offer the same texture without the side effects. Sugar feeds harmful gut bacteria and encourages fermentation in the colon, leading to gas and discomfort. According to a 2021 study in Nature Reviews Gastroenterology and Hepatology, high-sugar diets can negatively alter the microbiome and increase intestinal inflammation. Craving sweets? Try fresh fruits like berries or a square of dark chocolate, which are gentler on the gut. While coffee is a beloved morning ritual, it stimulates acid secretion and may cause irritation for those with acid reflux or ulcers. Strong black tea has similar effects. One woman I worked with had daily stomach cramps until she cut back from 3 coffees a day to just 1 cup with breakfast and added ginger tea in the afternoon. Now that we've seen what to avoid, let's look at the foods that can truly heal your gut. This is one of the most powerful gut-supporting foods. Yogurt contains live cultures that replenish good bacteria in the digestive tract. A 2020 meta-analysis in Frontiers in Microbiology found probiotic yogurt significantly improved symptoms in IBS patients, including bloating and irregular bowel movements. Go for plain, unsweetened varieties. You can add a spoon of honey or banana slices for flavor. Bananas are gentle on the stomach and rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that helps regulate bowel movements. They also contain potassium, which restores electrolyte balance. They're perfect as a mid-morning snack or blended into a smoothie. A tip: overripe bananas are easier to digest, especially for sensitive stomachs. Ginger is nature's digestive aid. It reduces nausea, stimulates digestive enzymes, and calms inflammation. A study in World Journal of Gastroenterology 2011 confirmed that ginger accelerates gastric emptying and reduces indigestion symptoms. You can add fresh ginger slices to hot water or include it in cooking. Ginger tea after meals is especially soothing. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a fiber that supports bowel regularity and feeds good gut bacteria. They're an excellent breakfast base, and you can combine them with yogurt and fruit for a gut-friendly meal. Rolled or steel-cut oats are best. Avoid sugary instant versions. These are easy to digest and packed with vitamin A and fiber. Sweet potatoes support the gut lining and help relieve constipation. Roast them with olive oil or steam them for a gentle, comforting side dish. They're particularly helpful for people recovering from digestive infections or gastritis. Papaya contains papain, a powerful enzyme that helps break down proteins and soothe the stomach. A 2013 study in Neuroendocrinology Letters found papaya extract improved bloating and constipation significantly after just 3 days of use. Eat it on an empty stomach in the morning or blend it into smoothies for a gentle cleanse. Hydration is key for digestion. Warm water first thing in the morning helps stimulate bowel movements, while coconut water replenishes electrolytes and calms inflammation. Avoid cold beverages, which may constrict the digestive tract. One of my patients recovering from gastritis started each day with warm lemon water, and within weeks, noticed improved digestion and less cramping. Among all these foods, ginger stands out as my top recommendation. Not only is it effective for a wide range of issues, nausea, reflux, slow digestion, but it also supports immunity and calms inflammation. It's been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, and today, modern science supports its versatility. Try making a habit of sipping ginger tea after your largest meal of the day. It's a small change with a powerful impact. Now, let's talk briefly about moderation. Even healing foods can cause problems when consumed excessively or without awareness. For example, bananas, though soothing, can cause constipation in some if overripe or eaten in large quantities. Dairy, even probiotic-rich yogurt, should be avoided if you're lactose intolerant. Grapefruit can interact with certain medications, including those for blood pressure and cholesterol. Always listen to your body and consult your doctor if you're unsure. Your gut is more than a digestive tube, it's your body's engine, a key to your immunity and even your emotional health. By making mindful food choices, you can restore balance, ease discomfort, and support long-term wellness from the inside out. If you found today's video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends or family who may benefit from this information. Stay tuned. Our next episode will dive into the gut-brain connection and how stress affects your digestion more than you think. Take care, eat well, and remember, healing starts with what you put on your plate.